In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable website notifications in Google Chrome effortlessly. If you've ever been interrupted by unwanted notifications while browsing, you'll appreciate knowing exactly how to prevent them. Let's walk through this process step by step to give you a smooth, uninterrupted browsing experience. First things first, you'll need to open Google Chrome on your computer. Whether you're using a PC or Mac, simply find the Chrome icon and click it to launch the browser. Once you have Chrome open and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll notice three vertical dots, also known as the Customize and Control menu. Click on those dots to access a range of options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings dashboard where you'll find various customizable options for your Chrome browser. On the left side of this screen, there's a sidebar with different categories. Look for the one labeled Privacy and Security and click on it. This section is crucial for managing your browser's behavior concerning privacy and data protection. Within the Privacy and Security area, you'll see an option called Site Settings. Click on it to proceed. This section is designed to let you control how websites interact with your browser. It's a powerful tool for ensuring your online safety and convenience. Now, you'll want to scroll through the site settings until you see Notifications. Clicking on Notifications will open up more detailed preferences regarding how and whether websites can push notifications to you. Once you're in the notification settings, you're almost there. Here, you'll find the key option that will help you manage or block these alerts. To put an end to those pesky notification requests that pop up while you're visiting various sites, simply select Don't allow sites to send notifications. By doing this, you effectively stop all websites from ever asking for notification permissions across the board. It's a swift and effective way to declutter your browsing experience and ward off distractions. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have successfully disabled website notifications in Google Chrome. This should create a much calmer and more focused environment when you browse the web. Remember, if you ever need to revert these changes, you can follow the same steps and toggle the settings back. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy browsing!